Hey everyone, Luke from Exceed ICT. In today's video I'm going to give you a quick introduction to another part of the MICK and IVA solution suite. So what we're going to cover off today is Mick Wap, and Mick Wap is really a key component to delivering our mesh extension of any existing network that we have. So for example, we're down at a park here, we've got our IVA, our Intelligent Vehicle Access connected vehicle, and we've got the Mick Wap. So first of all, I'm just going to sort of show you up the top here. Now I've done a previous video that highlights some of the Ericsson equipment, the dual Starlinks, etc. But we've also got a wireless access point to deliver extended Wi-Fi range. So first thing I'm going to do here is push this button over here. That's going to put the Wi-Fi access point up. And you can see we've got a little blue light there. Not sure if you can see, but the blue light to indicate that it's on. And so now what we're going to do though is, this wireless access point will give us about 200 to 250 meters range. So if you just have a quick look at where I'm standing, there's a structure which is about 160 meters away, and I'm going to take this Mick Wap box, I'm going to walk to that structure, and I'm going to open it, turn it on, we're going to connect back to this WAP, and we're going to create the mesh network. And so obviously we can get multiple of these and create a large network, but today we'll just do it with one unit. So a quick introduction to Mick Wap. First of all, let's let's have a look at the box. It's got the usual latch system, so you can lock it down if you want to, but we're going to open it up. It's pretty simple but very effective. So we've got the WAP in the lid of the box, and then we've got our Exceed battery management system. So we've got the battery meter, and again we've got a simple single button that you push the WAP button. You'll see the LED goes green. That's now going to turn on the WAP, and you can see the WAP has a green light at the moment, and really that's going to search for the central access point, and once that gets a connection, that's going to go blue. That can generally take a couple of minutes for that to connect, but that's basically as simple as it is to use the Mick Wap extension kit. And obviously, like I said before, we can connect multiple together. But what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to turn it off. I'm going to close it. Oh, you can see by the way that's gone blue, so that's now connected. So these two units are connected, creating that mesh network. But I'll pause and I'll go for a walk, and then I'll jump back on and show you the mesh. Alright, so I'm at the other end of the location. So we started back there. It's probably going to be hard to see, but the Exceed connected vehicle is parked where I started the video, and I've walked to the other end of this location, about 160 meters, and I've placed the Mick Wap on this table. I've opened it, I've pushed the single button to turn it on. I've got a green LED to show the WAP's on. Our battery meter showing that we've got 99.6% left on the battery. The WAP is indicating a blue light. That means that it has successfully created a backhaul connection to the central access point in the vehicle, and now we're good to go. So really useful. The central access point on the vehicle already gives us a really long range of around 200 meters, but now by adding the Mick Wap, we've extended the network, so now I can walk another 150 odd meters away from this box and be connected to it. So that's with one Mick Wap. Obviously we can add more. You don't want to go too many hops, so it really depends what type of mesh network we're trying to create, what shape or what zones you're trying to cover. But either way, if you're looking to extend your network in your portable kits or in your connected vehicles, at Exceed ICT we've got a lot of different options, and if you want to use different appliances, we can custom make and install your appliances into our kits. If you'd like to know more, please reach out, and thanks for watching.